Chavi Mishra, a student of Lassalle. Imagine a nation that does not just ask for the help, but gives the help to the entire world. Imagine a nation that built its own rockets, its own vaccines, and its own future. That the nation is our Mother India. Today, I stand here with a heart full of pride to talk about this incredible journey of self-reliant India or Atmanirbhar Bharat. It is the story of how Made in India has become a mark of global excellence. We are turning our dreams into a reality by trusting our own hands and minds. To be self-reliant means to believe our own strength. It is the spirit of Made in India and the power of our own hard work. Let us explore how we can build a nation that does not just follow the word but leads it. Being self-reliant is not just about manufacturing goods. It is about reclaiming our national pride and standing firmly on our own feet. For too long, we relied on others for technology and products, but today, India is changing. Our youth farmers and scientists are writing history by proving that we have the talent to lead the world. Self-reliance is rooted in our culture. India, foundation of our economy. If we take pride in what we create, the world will follow. In this fast, moving era, only those nations have their belief in their own potential. We must transition from job seekers to job creators. We need to innovate, embrace new technology, and use our resources wisely to build a new India. A strong India is possible only when every citizen contributes to its growth. Chances will come, but the resolve must be stronger. We are on a path where there is no looking back. We aim to build a nation that not meets only need but also support the entire global community. When our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi gave the call for Atmanirbhar Bharat, he was not just talking about the factories, he was talking about the spirit of every Indian. As Swami Vivekananda once said, rise awake and stop not until the goal is reached. Our goal, typing of Made in India. We have the world's largest youth population. If every student here decides to rather than just follow, we will become the nation of the creators. Think of the great Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who dreamed of an India that is technologically advanced and self-sufficient in defense. And we are now fulfilling that dream by building our own satellites, our own vaccines, and our own fighter jets. When we build local, we are not just buying a product, we are feeding the combination of global bits. It must take a giant leap. From the semiconductor mission to the digital revolution in our rural heartland, India is proving that we are no longer a developing nation, we are a leading nation. Freedom is not just about political independence, it is about the economic freedom. We have the talent of icons like Ratan Tata and the vision of great scientists. Let us to use our education to solve India's problem. Let us build the brands that the world admires. Let's ensure that self-made India is not just a speech. It is a reality we live in a single day. The road is long and the challenges are many. But as the slogan goes, Sankalp se Siddhi through firm resolve. We shall achieve our goals to work together and grow together. Look at the progress we have made in different sectors. Under the vision of the great leaders like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who united our land, and we are now uniting our industrial strength. We are no longer just parts of weapons, we are creators of advanced technology from the Tejas aircraft to our indigenous aircraft carriers. That India is proving that our security lies in our own hands. This is the true meaning of power. In the world of science and space, our achievement with ISRO have showed the world that the Indian women have no boundaries. Beyond our great pillars, we also remember Subhash Chandra Bose. He believed that a nation's strength lies in its self-belief. He did not just want political freedom, he wanted India to stand on its own feet. His courage reminds us that our self-reliant India is a struggle we must win. We also look to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who focused on building big dams and factories. He knew that for India to be respected, it must produce its own steel and power. Furthermore, Bhagat Singh vision of a fair and equal society by proving that we are no longer just Viksit Bharat, and we also remember we cannot talk about a self-reliant India without honoring our brave women leaders. In the past, the fire of independence was lit by Rani Lakshmi Bai, who fought with unmatched bravery, and Begum Hazrat Mahal, who led the resistance with grace and strength. We also remember Captain Lakshmi Sehgal, who led all the Indian regiment in the Indian National Army, proving that Indian women's dreams has no boundaries. Our military is stronger because the leaders like Agni Chaturvedi, the first female the many brave leaders leading the soldiers. These leaders prove that Shakti is not just a word, it is a reality that drives our economy and schemes like Startup India. Let's build the kind